Hello, I'm Ariel Antura, and I'll show you the cheats of random pets outfit not working. Okay, first tip is at least L1 left, L1 right, square triangle not working. Okay, I'll show you the cheats.
Ryan,
Oh,
ouch. Nagot you.
YouTube. Nagimo kog akong kuan.
Dali ah. Ouch. Ay, Jubanju.
Wait for a while. Launch the button. Remember. And this is the kids.
Are you done?
Bah, asang kuan book. Baklaro. Thanks and subscribe me.
Di man ko live sa Ogi good sa ba pero ikaw siguro kaingon ka. Tang tang tang. Hello guys, I'm gonna show you my yun. Kapag di ka tinawaan iyang lubot ng panapton, mura siya bukwak, mura sila magawas kabiti, pag kami sa lalaki magawas ang tai. Yak! Yak! What is this? What is this? What is this? Look, tuli na mga kuha. Thanks for watching. Subscribe me. Tug kung dipit sa kalibutan. Katulad ka, dagi anak kanila, kung dili kaya kang hinahinay kang di ka tinawaan, kay liwat sa uyuan. Pariban ang buhok, ipabang iyong torol. Iyang lubot ng butang ipanapon, ikaabot sa lalaki. Nakadal ng tae, yaks! Ang mabayot, dili na mapugnan, nagkaliwat ng kalibutan. Wala na akong hinigdo na nakanta, ta, 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 ta. Liwa na lang may pag-out. First thing you need to do, you need to get one concept. This paperwork will float. Okay. First you need to do. Like a heart kilometer on foot. Selected. And then you need to align. Okay. And the landing, the same to the outside. Stay with the other side.
Kahit sa pagkamatay ni Gio, naasan ang anak mo, Lucas. Pagkalaban ko na patay ang anak mo!
At
More and more dentists have recommended Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief toothpaste. It's more effective. Here's how it works. Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief tackles the root cause of sensitivity by blocking the open channels that lead to the tooth cavity. Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief is better results. Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. Instant relief and long-lasting protection. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
it's my post. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me.
Mo nag-record eh?
Wala eh. Wala mong kang eh.
This checks if your mouth is really clean after brushing. Oh, it's those germs left behind. See, brushing alone is not enough. Those germs can cause oral problems. Now, gargle with Listerine. It kills 99.9% of germs. Keep using for 21 days. Never felt this clean before. Now that's Listerine Clean. It's the Listerine 21-day challenge. Rexona with Dry Shield technology keeps you free from sweat all day, so nothing holds you back. See for yourself. Make every day count. Do more. Rexona. It won't let you down. Hi, Dad. Hi, sweetheart.
Para pa kay Voltaire, no?
Good.
Voltaire.
Dalawa dito sa drawer.
Gum problems positive bacteria. Try new Colgate Total Pro Gum Help. It fights bacteria along the gum line and helps reduce gum problems by up to 88%.
It really works?
I can prove it.
Wow, thanks, Dad. I'll take this now.
New Colgate Total
Thank
Pro
you.
Gum Help.
Kani si Juna Entura.
This is an Bisaya version. Unya akong madir kay
Version.
oh. Lahi man tong ganina kay kuan English version.
Nya tani, kay version.
Oh,
Nya, this is my
Oriel daughter ay son.
this is my Israel daughter, my son.
And this is Momotombok.
Butang.
Uy, lapos yun. Sabay man yun ito.
Makaro. Okay, masayang ko ko.
Okay. Thank you. That is my mother. And hello everyone. My name is Oriel Antura. And I'm gonna show you my ball named Penny. And here's my one named Bonnie. He likes the Easter Bunny. You see the rest of the garden? That's movie like Easter Bunny is a rabbit. Okay? Oh, Bonnie is Bonnie. Okay, and here's my mix, and I'm gonna show you my PSP cover. If you cannot understand me, please like. If you can understand me, please subscribe me, okay? This is made in 2010. January 2, 2010. Okay, some moments. My game today is in PSP is first Raw SmackDown vs Raw 2011. Second, my second game is Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Heroes 3. Third, my game is 2K12 NBA 2K12. And the fourth one is the last I have 4 games on it. I need to download it. Okay? That is Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Impact. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me! Hello, I'm gonna show you my tennis ball, but this is older, from 2010, okay? You understand it? Okay, my ball, yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to make paper airplane. Okay, I'm gonna get a 1-piece A4 bond paper. Wait for a while.
At para sa mga mahilig kumain, meron silang 4 signature restaurants headed by experienced and world-class chefs. Mga kapamilya, hindi talaga kayo mauubusan. Pwedeng gawin dito.
I'm going up.
Na magpahuli. Mag-experience sa Lerner's
Okay, I'm gonna show you this one, my AC.
Ang bahagi po ay hatid sa inyo ng Soler Resort and Casino.
My AC bond paper. Okay, first you need to fold into half. Understand?
gonna open it.
More and more dentists have recommended
Second,
Colgate-sensitive Pro Relief
you
toothpaste.
need to
The results last. I've seen the results. It's more effective.
on
Here's how it works.
like
Colgate sensitive Pro Relief tackles the root
Oh,
cause of sensitivity.
okay.
And
Then-
blocking open channels that lead to the channel. Colgate sensitive Pro Relief. It gives better results. Colgate sensitive Pro Relief. Instant relief and long-lasting protection. Colgate, #1 brand recommended by dentists.
like that. The same to the other side.
Champions are not born. They are raised. Ang pagiging champion.
Like that, okay?
Dance sa Philippines. Hindi lang sa habit. Hindi lang sa
Okay. Now it's working like that.
Like having a healthy breakfast with Milo every morning. Para may energy to train every day. Para champion.
Okay, this is only a basic type of open.
Hi, girl.
Open it like that.
With my Tyrant Team here to access the box. Stay vibrant.
Okay.
Ha? Makasud yaro. Ano makasud? Tuwa dyan, hindi ko kasud. Apito man ako no. Tuwa na ako kasud. Hindi ko kagawas. Ano siya ako kasud na? Pwede maka na. Pwede kinungan na. Oo. Pwede naman mamunta na sa garasya. Ano ako mga nasud? Ano ba yun? Oo mo no.
Hold down.
Ano to? Ano to?
Sayang lasa. Nataguluan.
Pwede naman mamunta na to.
Oo, masaga. Sila na ba'y pagpuan mo?
Mamunta na lang ko na.
Dapat ang kamera para matatan ka.
May duwa na picture.
Ha?
Duwa na picture. Puro babay. Puro babay tupad.
Understand?
Duwa na picture. Puro babay tupad. Duwa na picture. Nako. Ano mo gawa ng pagkuan?
New stocks rather used were put in place to help pay for better healthcare, more roads.
Ngayon,
Like that.
tutulong walang saysay. Hindi pinag-aralan at hindi pinaghandaan. Kaya parang kabuting sumusulpo. Sa bawat zona ng ating mga nagiging pangulo, hindi nawawala ang pagbibida sa mga proyektong pagpapagawa ng mga kalsada.
Haba sa dami ng kalye sa buong Pilipinas, okay naman ang Pilipinas compared sa other countries. Kaya lang, ang quality ng road ng Pilipinas medyo mababa.
Ayon sa World Economic Forum, sa kung opisina nag-aaral
Like
sa mga
that.
pinapatupad para sa pagpapaganda ng ekonomiya ng mga bansa sa buong mundo, sagradong
Thanks
perfect
for
na
watching. Please subscribe me.
3.4 ang grado ng Pilipinas kung pag-usapan po ay kalidad ng mga kalsada sa buong bansa.
I am a troll face.
National Road Network kasi napabayaan
bro, okay bro.